Hello everyone, my name is Amar Nache and I'm from Hack Reactor Cohort 108. Today I'm going to talk to you about my SDC project. To be more specific, with my team, we actually doing a replica for an Amazon product web page. My service is in frame with the product itself, showing the names, the titles, descriptions, and few pictures for it. Um, when I start this project, I put in my mind that all the services that I'm creating, the database, the service itself will be testing on my laptop on more like on a low energy level and see how much I can reach the speed and the performance. Then I will deploy it on like an Amazon service. So to do that, I actually start by generating a 10 million record of a products, including the descriptions, which take a huge amount of memory, uh, titles, prices, etc. And also, I created 45 million records of photos that will actually like display for each product. So kind of like each product, on average, has like 4 to 5 pictures. It was kind of like a challenge to fit everything on my laptop, especially that I decided to use two different databases for test purposes. The first database was Postgres, and the reason why is a SQL, and everyone's love actually working on SQL. Easy to use, very popular, open source. At the same time, it support the asset concept, which is I think Amazon needs something like this in case if you kind of like order a product that we have 10 already in the warehouse. You want to be able like for someone to buy this product while it still exists in the warehouse, but if someone else tried at the same time and it's already been bought, that the record will show that this product is not available anymore. On the other hand, I was testing the product or like the data on MongoDB. MongoDB, as we know, is a NoSQL um, database that offer a lot of beautiful services. My main target was using Mongo for like the speed itself. For who's not familiar with MongoDB, it's using like hasn't it used like a hashing function to store the data. So using hash function to ID an object will get it like really fast. Besides, there is a lot of good advantage of MongoDB. Starting with, there is no need for a schema. It's very flexible and it has a very fast computing services or like power on the CPU. So I test my system on both and I got like an amazing results on each. It seems one of the advantages for Mongo beside the performance is the flexibility. So let's say decide if a company decide or Amazon decide to add more features to their product next to the pictures as an example like a GIF pictures or maybe like a video, it's easy to install it compared to SQL, which is pretty much like impossible unless if you modify the whole table. On the other hand, MongoDB cannot handle a consistency in a huge amount of requests per seconds. So like let's say if it's Black Friday or like a sale time, it's gonna kind of like extremely hard to manage that on Mongo and get like a persistent amount of data in a certain time. So I came with this crazy idea, which is instead of like actually serving everything to the client at the same time, we can split that in two different services. The main reason because of that is because I worked in sale before and I understand that the hardest thing when you want to get a sale is actually to get the customer go inside your shop. So like let's say if I'm on Amazon and it's take a very long time to display anything on the picture, despite if it's MongoDB or Postgres, then I'm losing my customer. So I'm coming with this new crazy idea where each client actually will hit my server twice, two different APIs requests. One of them is going to require the product information so he can read about it, and the other one is going to require the photos, which is going to be loaded after we getting the product information. So hopefully I will achieve that soon. That would be a very great challenge, and I'm already still like working on it, and I'm seeing a lot of good results. So good luck, and hopefully we'll discuss more in my next video. Thank you.